Hello everyone, may you be showered with peace and happiness. Let me start with a question. Have you ever been stuck in a hospital waiting room, frustrated by delays, missing records, or miscommunication between staff? So these are exactly the kinds of problem we aim to solve. So we, the team Triology, and this is Shihab, welcome to our Smart Healthcare Management System project. So our goal is simple but powerful to streamline healthcare operations like doctor management, patient records, appointments, so all in one system. We designed this as an API first system, meaning it's backend only, and we interact with it through Swagger instead of a frontend. We have built it using some great technologies. Spring Boot for backend, PostgreSQL for our database, Maven for dependency management, Docker for containerization, Swagger for API testing, and JUnit for unit testing. Now I will hand it over to Noyon to walk you through a live Swagger demo. Thank you.
Thank you, Emil. Hello, everyone. This is Mohammed Islam Noyan, student of Department of CSC, Kumula University, and the team leader of the team, the Triology. I am excited to walk you through the how I have set up Swagger UI to document and test API endpoints and how it works seamlessly with the JWT authentication. First, let me explain what Swagger UI is. Swagger is an open source framework that automatically generates interactive documentation for using REST endpoints. So anyone visited the Swagger UI using our website link, then you will find the patient controller, health profile controller, doctor controller, appointment controller, and authentication controller section here. Here we have created these API endpoints using the get method, put method, post method, and delete method. And if anyone want to access those controller, he first need to authenticate, and using the post method, the sign up method, he can sign up, then he need to login. After login, he will get a JWT authentication, and he will give the authentication with the JWT token here, and will be authorized to access those controller. And after that, he can see the patient controller here, health profile list here of the patients, and the doctor list here, the top experienced doctor also, and the appointment controller also here. So finally, the beauty of Swagger is it is interactive. Anyone can log in, grab JWT or authentication, and create, update, or delete using this REST API endpoints, and anyone can access these, and also can see that the code and see that the API endpoints are up to date with the code. Thank you for listening. This next part will be described by Sheikh Sadiq.
Thanks, Nayan. Hello, everyone. I am Sheikh Sadi. I'm a final year student at Department of CSC in Kumula University. And as my teammates have already said that from managing doctors, patients, appointments, health profiles, everything is streamlined in one robust system. And what makes our approach different is it's an API first system. That is, there's no front end. So instead, we interact with the system using Swagger UI, which gives us the live API documentation and testing tools right out of the box. So let's take a look at Swagger. So here in Swagger, we have all our REST endpoints neatly organized into sections like patients, doctors, appointments, health profiles, and authentication. So each endpoint supports standard HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete, which allows us the full CRUD functionality. So and we have also implemented the exception mapping as well, which is going to help us improve our error handling process. So if there's some resource that are not found, so we're simply going to return this exception, which is essentially the resource not found exception. So yeah, this is it for the front end intro, and let's move on to the next part. Thank you.